In IELTS listening, most students fail to cope with IELTS listening part 3. What's the reason? The reason is in part 3, 4 types of questions are very common, and these 4 question types are very confusing for many students. Type 1 is multiple choice. Single multiple choice, where out of 3 options, you have to select one option. The second one is double multiple choice questions. In double multiple choice questions, out of 5, you have to select 2. Then we have matching. In matching, you have to match A, B, C, D with the questions, okay? Now, the first thing is IELTS listening part 3 is supposed to be the toughest part of IELTS for many students, just because of multiple choice, and the options look so similar. Like if it is A, B, C, they discuss all 3 options, and then you got to match one and all that. So I would advise you, first let's talk about multiple choice questions. As far as multiple choice questions are concerned, for multiple choice questions, I would say that you need to understand the difference between right and wrong. Now, what do I mean by this? I mean by this is there are 3 options. They discuss all 3 options, right? And out of 3 options, 2 options are false according to the audio, right? For example, if they say the tour is on the tour is tonight, for example, in the audio they say we were supposed to have a tour tonight, but last night it was cancelled, so option A is not the right answer. Like this, they discuss all the options, and 2 options out of 3 are false and 1 option is true. So in order to deal with multiple choice questions, if you know how to deal with the true options and how to eliminate the false options, you will be able to find the right answers, okay? This is important. And then when it is matching, options they give you A, B, C, D. In the questions they use the same language, but the options they give you, they always use synonyms. For example, if they say reductions this month, for reductions this month, in the audio they might use the word we are offering 50% discount for this month, or 50% discount for this month only. So like this, they change the language. I call it synonym, or sometimes it's not synonym, sometimes it's paraphrasing, sometimes it's rewording. So they always do like that. So if you understand the language of the audio and the language of the questions and the similar language they use, then you can easily find. See, there is a vessel coming, Huddeiriyat Beach, Abu Dhabi, and there is that beautiful vessel coming right behind me. Okay, yeah, you can just see that. I guess it's going to come here anywhere. All right, then we've got after matching, double multiple choice. Again, in double multiple choice, there are 5 options. Out of 5 options, 2 options are correct, 3 options are incorrect, and the 3 options which are incorrect, these 3 options are actually false options according to the audio. They use the word according to the speaker, according to the audio, according to the speaker. So according to the speaker, 3 options are false. False means there is a little change. For example, if they say the tour will start from Monday, and in the audio they say, well, we had decided to start the tour on Monday, but because of some circumstances we had to reschedule it, and now it will start on Tuesday. So Monday option is going to be the wrong option. So if you follow all these tips and techniques, IELTS listening part 3 will not be difficult. And you know, in part 3 mainly there are options A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, right? A, B, C, D, E, F in matching. So students are likely to guess the answers, and when they guess the answers, most of their answers are wrong. All the best, guys, from Huddeiriyat Beach, Abu Dhabi. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Pakistan. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.